What's up, Dame Gang? It's your boy DameDash, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Hey y'all, did you miss me? Alright y'all, so today I have pizza and wings. This pizza is from Cottage. I have I think it's the Price Buster or something like that. It's ground beef, sausage, pepperoni, ham, olives, onions, bell pepper, and I have some wings with ranch. Hope y'all having a great day. Today is Friday. I wonder what y'all doing, y'all. Turning up, going out. I don't know. All my stuff on now. What's wrong with that? Yeah, I don't even think I did a thumbnail. Let's see. Oh wait. Ooh, ah. Okay. So that's the pizza. It got everything on it. It's so heavy, it's falling apart. Oh, there's mushrooms on here too. Man, this pizza is so good. Do y'all have a Cottage in y'all area? This is what it looked like, the box. Cottage in. Woo. So yeah, the reason why we're doing pizza today is because yesterday I put a poll up on YouTube and I said that you guys want to see me eat pizza, Taco Bell, or Popeye's chicken. Pizza one. Oh, excuse me. This pizza is so good, especially the The sauce. And the best wings. I don't know if it's a Cottage Inn everywhere. Y'all, Aria here, she not feeling good. She got a little cold. Let's see if she come in here, y'all. She got a cold. She real funny actor. Aria! Hmm?
What are you doing?
I'm eating.
Eating?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Your hair all over your head.
What?
Why your hair? Look at your hair. You look crazy. You look so crazy. Don't. Look at that. Cover your mouth. You want some food?
No.
No? Okay. Alright, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to everybody. You gonna say hi?
No.
You wanna say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Alright, go back and play your iPad. I'll bring you some food when you want to, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Love you.
It's very like a book. Mm-hmm.
My favorite part of the chicken is the drums. Pizza fills you up quick though. This basically got every meat and every vegetable. Y'all, so y'all know my birthday is in July, right? So I've been planning this huge party. And I'm trying to cut back as much as I can. On certain stuff. No candy, no chips, no pop. Excuse me. There should be no bread, but I forgot about that when I said pizza. You know what I'm saying? When I put pizza up there, I said, oh man. Then I was like, ain't nobody gonna pick pizza, so I ain't gotta worry about eating the bread. Oh, y'all wanted pizza. Y'all fooled me. I probably can eat one more slice of pizza. Gotta get ready for my party, y'all. Wow. Alright, y'all. I'm saying I'm eating, right? And then I got a notification. And then I just want to talk about how hateful people can be. Like, the negative comments and stuff like that. Like, everybody always say, well, just ignore them, you know, look past it. People open their mouth and say whatever they want to say in these comment sections, and it's just rude and disrespectful. Like, y'all don't know nobody's background. You don't know how they deal with things, if they're depressed, if they're suicidal, anything. You don't know, and y'all just still choose to say whatever you want to say to these people. And then when somebody says something back to y'all, y'all act like, oh, we done did y'all wrong. No, that's not how it works at all. So I want to talk about Pamela Robinson. She commented on my 12 lobster tail mukbang when I did the no, don't wipe your mouth challenge for yummy bites. She said, you're pathetic, nasty looking piece of shit. Nigga, you don't know how to eat. All that smacking, everybody wants to be like lovely. Won't you get a real fucking job and stop depending on us to pay you? First things first, I have a real job. I'm not trying to be like nobody but myself. I'm sorry, y'all. I got so distracted when I just looked at my phone and seen this hateful comment from Pamela Robinson. I don't know her from a can of paint. She don't know me. She came on my channel, seen me eating off of one video and seen that I was smacking and decided to leave a negative comment. I don't appreciate you, and I don't appreciate anybody who leaves negative comments without even checking other videos. Like, you judging me off of one video, you don't even know me, and it don't even matter. Like, I don't care about you or your opinion. Honestly, I'm just letting you know that you disrespectful and you look like an ape. All right. So, oh man. All right, y'all. I'm going to get out of here. I know I didn't eat that much. But if y'all can hear Arya in the background coughing, she's not feeling her best and I gotta go tend to her. I'm sorry about this short video. I love y'all so much. I'm gonna go live later on today because I am wrapping this video up really, really early, and I can eat on live with y'all and we can talk. Okay? I love y'all so much. I'll be back for live. Make sure y'all tune in. I don't know what time I'm gonna go live. Probably 7:30. But please make sure y'all be ready to chill and talk. I love y'all so much. Make sure y'all hit this like button. Comment down below. Share this video with anyone and everyone to let them know what we doing over here. Dang gang. We back. I gotta go check on my baby though. Alright, peace out y'all.